Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's many things, what we do in the workshop.
And what are we doing this week?
This week we're making this cutting board, and is this a letter holder, or what is this?
Yeah! So, here we go!
Here we go!
So what we have over here is our scrap wood pile, and Dom has selected some boards for the scrap wood.
Yep, we're going dark light, dark light, dark light. Should be pretty cool. Yeah!
Yeah, we're gonna make a few projects out of these. One is a surprise.
Yeah. Alright, so I got a plastic brush and a roller. So, here we go.
Dom turned these all on their side so that he's just gonna glue the top of them.
Should be good. Brand new container. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and flip all of these that way so we don't have to do that last board.
Dom, what's the one thing I tell you a woodworker can never have enough of?
Clamps.
Clamps!
Yeah. So that's all clamped up. How long are we gonna let it stay clamped up for, Dad?
At least an hour.
At least an hour?
Probably more.
Probably a lot more.
There it is. It's all jagged on this side, so we're gonna put it through the planer. Woohoo! Just bring it down a little bit at a time. There it is. That thing's looking nice. Yeah. Replace it with a chop saw. Let's cut it down. This is beautiful. I might have to cut it down some more. Oh, this is beautiful.
Hey, Dad, who are these people?
It's an anniversary gift for my girlfriend and me.
Yeah.
So a laser is complete. What are you doing, Dom?
I am putting on our finish. is orange oil with 4/0 steel wool.
Oh, that's the beeswax finish.
Yeah,
I love it.
it's looking good.
4/0 steel wool is awesome.
Yeah. Friday workshop.
And that's what it is. Man,
Yeah.
this thing turned out great.
Turned out wonderful.
You know what I did is I kind of just took so this was the sample that I was playing around with to test the laser to see if it was working properly before I did it on the really nice, thing that we put together here. I think this is going to go on the wall. I don't think it's going to be a cutting board.
You don't think
It's
so?
so beautiful. But yeah, I just took a bunch of, the test piece and I turned it into like a letter holder. Because, why not? Because I had it. So, super fun stuff.
Yep. So if you like videos like this one, check out this video
Like
and subscribe.